Hi, my name is Joel.
Hi, my name is Sydney,
And welcome to AM Central.
The book club will meet this Tuesday, December 11th, 2:30 at the library. Come discuss the Eleanor and Park to get next month's book to have yearbook pictures taken. Stop by the library to copy this month's selection. New members are always welcome. Today we want to feature a Central graduate, Quentin Weatherburn, who spent the summer studying the mind and brain at the University of Pennsylvania. Check out the video about the program that Quentin talks about his experiences.
So MindCore is Penn's hub for the integrative study of the mind. And the core part of that stands for Center for Outreach, Research, and Education. And so the Summer Fellows Program really sits at the interface there between our research and our education aims, where we're trying to both provide an educational experience for current undergraduates, but do that by getting them involved in some of the cutting edge research that mind researchers at Penn are currently doing.
This summer, I've been working with Professor John Trueswell and Dr. Alex DeCarvalho, and I've been investigating the question whether 2-year-olds can use negative sentences to learn verb meanings.
Michael is not gonna blick the cat.
Really? He's not gonna blick the cat?
Often you read these papers and the design is very elegant, but it's surprisingly hard to design these simple and elegant experiment, and actually creating the stimuli and running it in preschools, or even if babies are brought to the lab, it's just like you wouldn't know how hard every step is unless you actually do it. So it's really good experience.
I think one of the particularly nice things about the summer program is that summers at universities are a little bit quieter and there's a little bit less going on, and yet faculty are often here doing research. And so the students get a lot more one-on-one interactions with the faculty, and Yelena is one of the few undergraduates here with the postdocs and grad students, and she gets to find out, what it's like to be a scientist.
So I've been working with my mentor, Adam Pines, to try and assess the relationship between traumatic deprivation in childhood, as defined by low income, exposure to violence, those sorts of things, brain development in certain areas such as the hippocampus and certain cortical areas, and how that sort of influences a range of observable behaviors we see in children. So for someone like me who intends to go to grad school, this program has been really helpful in the sense that it's sort of demystified the whole process of research and what the expectations are. And working in my lab has been particularly relevant to me because I would like to go on to do work in childhood development, specifically in populations of children who have autism spectrum disorder. But for now, getting the general background of working with children and sort of cognitive development has been really helpful for me. As part of the study, we use something called a myelin mapping technique, which utilizes a ratio of T1 weighted to T2 weighted scans from the MRI data.
A big part of scientific research is then telling other people about what you found. And so the symposium that caps off our Summer Fellows program is an opportunity for those fellows to tell us what they discovered over the 10 weeks over the summer. And it's also an opportunity for the fellows to see what each other is doing and really get a sense of the breadth of the research that's going on campus to understand the links between the mind and the brain.
My name is Donovan Santana, and today I'll be bringing you guys on this day in history. On this day in history, the famous Walt Disney was born in 1901.
Today is International Ninja Day. To celebrate, you could walk like a ninja, talk like a ninja, or you could just watch your favorite ninja movie. Use Use hashtag International Ninja Day to post on social media.
And that's all for today, Central. Have a good day.